In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table on Notes in iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18 on your iPhone, you can simply create table or tabular form on your iPhone using the built-in function. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, when you want to create a table on iPhone on iOS 18, is open the Notes application this, and if you can't find the note, just use the spotlight search and search for notes. So once you can find the note, go ahead and open it like this. Now you may want to create a new note or open an existing note. So in this case, let's go ahead and create a new note by clicking on the edit button at the bottom right. Now once you click on that, you'll be taken to this new note page. Now to create a table, all you need to do is this. Click on this table icon, then you should see the table created. Then you can come here again, fill in anything you want to fill, then come here, fill in anything you want to fill. Then again, you want to create another table. You see that? Then you can create another table, fill in again, and again, and again. Keep creating tables using the Notes application on your iPhone on iOS 18. So this is how you can easily create table on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.